Hi guys, so we are going on an adventure. I think the next couple of days are going to be super busy, so there's a lot to do, so I thought I would take you guys along with me for a lot of it. And right now we're going to B&Q and then IKEA because I need to get stuff for the attic, which is very exciting. And then I'm going to do some work setting that up. Tomorrow we have crazy stuff going on, so this is going to be like spend half the week with me, spend a week with me, I don't know. We'll see how it goes towards the end of this. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for the taxi now, and then we're off to B&Q first because I only need small things from there, so I'll only have to care because I can't drive yet still. Oh, that's something that we can do today though. I got provisional license forms, so I'm going to fill those out. Oh no, they have the gardening stuff in stock. I'm too weak for this. Oh man, I kind of really like this snail. Maybe another time. Oh no. Oh no, there's a houseplant section down there. I can't do this. I am not strong. They have little terrariums and Venus flytraps, oh no. Okay, so I was strong. I didn't get any houseplants, mostly because I realised I have no way of carrying them because I have to walk a long stretch down to IKEA and then all around IKEA and then, you know, get IKEA stuff. So I will be coming back for plants another time, but I did resist. So yeah, now I've walked down to IKEA. These tights that I'm wearing were not made for someone my height. And like, you know, I can pull them up so they fit, but then they're about to fall down my ass. They're like almost the entire way down my butt cheeks right now, and I don't want to stop and try to pull them up in front of all this traffic, so I am suffering. This area is so not made for pedestrians. There is nowhere to cross. So I just cut across into this area by going through like an area with a bunch of bushes because there was like a little dark bit, and I was like, oh, a place to pull up my tights, and I didn't think anyone was around, so I came out of the bushes with my skirt hiked up, pulling up my tights, only to see an employee walking down towards me. I actually really like this whole wall. Oh my god, if I could get anything for the attic, it would be this chair. These things are so comfortable. Look how much space. I wish I had this much space for my fucking shoes, honestly. This whole setup is what I need. Okay, thing that we need, number one. I don't know how I'm gonna do this by myself, but... sorted! Everything I need for the attic, and also a rolling pin because I have needed a rolling pin, so... Well, hello there! So, the whole idea of spend the week with me went down the drain. It is weeks later. Weeks later! That week that I started filming ended up just getting way too busy to do anything on the attic, and I was too distracted to sort of film the rest of the stuff, so I'll give you a quick catch up. So I filmed the IKEA stuff on Tuesday. Wednesday we went to the abandoned house from this vlog to check just like layouts, electricity and stuff, because believe it or not, yes, there was electricity somehow, because Jake was shooting a music video on the Sunday, so I was like, hey, we should probably go make sure everything's working. Got there, couldn't get in. Someone who had tried to break in had basically screwed up the door so badly that it wouldn't open, so we couldn't actually get into the building, which was like worrying because it was like, wow, if we can't get this open before Sunday, we have people flying in for this. Like, it was a whole big mess. So went home, came back on the Thursday with tools, managed to get the door open, everything went well, checked the electricity, it was working, everything was fine. Friday, I feel like something happened on Friday, I don't remember what it was. Saturday, not a lot happened for me. The guys did like a test run of their makeup and stuff and took some photos, and then we all went out to get food, which was fun considering the makeup that they were wearing. And then we all went out to like this fun night at a bar here, which was actually a good time. And then Sunday was the music video, and obviously I was there, you know, just to hang out and help and stuff. Like, I moved a lot of the stuff in before they got there, so it was all set up and ready for them to go. And then while they were filming a music video, I filmed some stupid creepy TikToks, which are here. Run. If you want to go see them properly, my TikTok link will be in the description, I guess. But yeah, so there was all of that. And then after that, basically, I just fell into, like, you know, that was all fun. And then the weekend ended and everything was fine, and then out of nowhere I just fell into a really bad mental state and have been stuck in that for weeks now. Like, this is the worst that I've been in a while. So yeah, I've not been doing well. I've been really fucking struggling, but today I've pulled myself out of it a little bit, feeling a little better, feeling a little optimistic. If you're wondering about the ugly ass background, it's because it's time to do some work in the attic. So I'm about to show you what it's like right now. It had to get worse to get better. So I'll show you the state we're in right now. Hold on. Side number 1, not looking too cute. No. Side number 2, lots of boxes and crap that are for stuff in here, like the IKEA stuff and some other stuff. So that's kind of what we're working with. But this under here used to be absolutely packed with stuff, so much so that it was like falling out, like it couldn't be contained, and I cleaned it all out. There's still like a bunch of crap that needs picked up, but I just cleaned all of that out. So I am like proud of myself for that one. So I need to figure out what we're doing now. I need to like clear all the random crap that's on the floor and the table and everything. There's just stuff everywhere. When you saw it before, obviously this desk was further over there and then the sewing table was here. I don't know if I want to put it back there. I feel like I want to put it on this side, but I feel like I thought of that before and then I was like, oh no, I can't put it on that side because, but now I can't remember the because, and I've been really trying, so I'm thinking maybe I'll switch it up and put it over there, because then I have this whole side clear and I can put the shelves and then they won't be hidden behind a table, so I can get to stuff easier. So that's kind of my thought process right now, but first I just need to sort it. Okay, so I'm actually having to take the backdrop down right now so that I can put up curtains to cover up, see these two ugly bits. I have like little things I'm going to pin up just to cover those, and then also I'm keeping tripods and ring lights and a head in there and such. But yeah, so I had to take that down anyway to get to where I needed to be, but I'm actually in a different mood than when I was using this, so as much as I love this one, I think we're going to have a change, and I'm going to put up the pink one that I originally got for in here and see how that looks. This one will definitely be back. I still love this one, but I'm in a different mood, so we're having a little bit of a change around since I'm moving stuff anyway. One side done. It's kind of crude, but it gets the job done. I'm gonna deal with all the ugliness along the sides as well in a while, but right now I'm just trying to get this done. Heck yeah! Definitely a bit better. I did it! I think now that we have a bigger backdrop though, I'm going to need a longer string of fairy lights because that looks a bit dopey just in the middle. It kind of looks like a weird smiley face from here actually. But yeah, when it was the small backdrop, like it pretty much dealt with all of it, but now it's kind of like silly, so I think I need more fairy lights. But progress is being made. I need to I've got like a bunch of fabric. I'm gonna sew curtains to cover up these under bits. Which should help make things look a lot fucking nicer, because like at the end of the day this is still an attic and we still need to store crap, so I'm just gonna like cover that up. But then once I take all this stuff that I've just had to put out of the way over on top of that, I just built that yesterday all by myself, that's gonna be like a little kitchen area. So I've got a kettle, I've got a little mini fridge that I need to get a lead for, I've got like soup and tea in there with like cups, and I've got like snacks in there, so it's gonna be like a little food station for whenever I'm up here working and I forget to feed myself. So I hate that the progress of like doing stuff up here has already made this carpet covered in little bits, so I'm gonna have to get the vacuum up and fix it, especially like over there where I had to hammer up the backdrop. Like loads of gross just debris fell out of the beams and onto my nice new rug, and I am so mad because it's so pretty. I almost don't want to put my tables and stuff back up now because I'm just enjoying all the space. I just want to lie here. Oh, and I'm gonna like pin something like up in here behind the little kitchen bit so it's not quite as hideous. So I will do that shortly. There's just a lot to do. There's also like a shelving rack over there that me and Jake made, but it's like piled behind everything else in here because I had to move everything that was on this side of the attic over to there so I could do this, and now I'm gonna have to move things around to do the other side of the attic. But eventually, hopefully, it'll all be nice. And then I need to just do something to cover up all the gross beams. I've got like some things on this side kind of covering stuff up a bit, so I guess I'll maybe just continue that, although some of the bits are like skinny and awkward, so we'll figure it out, guys. We can do it. I can't. I can't. Hey, I think that is pretty decent progress for one day. We are getting there. So today has been quite productive. I set all of this up last night so that I could just get to recording today, and that worked out very well for me. I didn't quite get everything I wanted done. I have like a little, I've made like little sheets with like everything that I need to do and stuff to keep organized. So I had wanted to get 5 or 6 videos recorded today. I only managed 4, but then I also did record 2 other like mini pieces of video that are for other projects. So there's only one more that I had like really solidly planned to do today, but I am too ill and I can't even think straight, so that's not happening today. I'll do that another day, but still, I got a decent amount done, so I'm happy enough with that. I don't know if we're gonna get, I did want to like get all those videos done and then pack all this away and get more work done on the attic, but oh, I'm just not well. But what I do need to do is sort out the other side of the attic, because it's still chaos. I managed to get this side like really great, and then that side's still a mess. So I need to sort out all that. I need to finish sewing the curtains for the sides. This side to this side is all fully curtained. This side, 1 of 3 panels is done, so the side only has 2 because I don't really need to reach anything on that side, so it's just 2 big panels. This one I cut into 3 different sections so it's easier to open up to get the stuff, because this is where all the, you know, the things are. So I need to finish sewing those and put those up. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Hold on. Long term things that need done are, I need to cover up more of the bare beams with probably just more fabric and stuff. It's a bit messy, it's a bit like patchworky, but I'm fine with it. I mean, you know, I'm gonna get this place as good as I can get it within like a reasonable budget and time limit, because I was sick of putting it off because I wanted it to be perfect. So yeah, cover up more of the bare wooden bits and pieces. I want to make a little curtain type thing for the window up here, because there's a building like opposite here that at night time just looks straight into this attic, and if I'm like dancing around being a twat, I don't want people watching me, so I'm gonna make a little curtain for up there, but I still haven't decided how to do that or what I want to do with it. I also want to like have different sets of things to put on this shelf, like depending what mood I'm in, you know, and just like, for instance, like if I'm in like a really like sort of like cute sort of like, I don't know, like cute like pink mood, then I can have like gloomy bears and stuff here. And whenever I'm in a witchy mood, like more plants and stuff. And then like, you know, if I'm in like a darker mood, you know, just like have different little sets of things that I can rotate on these shelves to like match my mood. I think that'd be cute. Oh, I want a comfy something, because right now there's nowhere in this attic that's like comfortable to be. I've got, you know, like this little sort of seat to sit on to record, and I've got like my office chair, but you know, it's an office chair, like it's comfortable but it's not cozy. But yeah, I'd like a cozy space up here for whenever I want to take a break from all this. Like just now I was feeling really sick, so between doing some videos I lay down, but because there's nowhere nice, I just lay down in the corner on the floor of the attic with my blanket, like ugh. So I could just like chill for a minute. But it'd be much nicer if I had like a big squishy beanbag that I could like, you know, curl up in, get real cozy. I've got a runny nose, oh no. But yeah, you know, get all cozy with a blanket, a little cup of soup or something in my cozy little nest. Yeah, so I definitely want a nice comfortable space. So I want to put a disco ball or like some sort of like disco light up here just because I'm an adult. I need to get a cord for the little mini fridge I have. It's tiny. I mean, you can't really fit anything there. I can fit like 2 cans of Monster and that's literally it. But the bigger ones are really expensive. It's like 17 quid for like a slightly bigger mini fridge. Did I say 70 or 17? I meant 70, I can't think. But yeah, so I want one of those eventually, but until I can get one of those, I'll take what I've got. Not that I need a fridge up here right now, honestly, but in the summer I will. In the summer it gets really hot up here, so it'd be nice to have like a little, you know, cold drink section. But right now it is a fridge here. But yeah, so I need to get a little cable for the tiny mini fridge I have. It's one I've actually had since I was a kid. Oh yeah, and then just like little sort of silly things, like I need more storage boxes for my big like cubey shelving unit thing, and a stand for a plant that I want to put up here. Oh, and I need a trash can. Yeah, I've got my Amazon wish list just so I can be like, what do I still need to do up here? So yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff, but I don't know. We might have to wait until tomorrow to get more work done up here. Because I don't know, I'm gonna go lie down. I love you guys. I might see you later. If not, I will see you. I mean, you're gonna see me either way. It just depends when it is in my reality. Do you understand? I don't know. Today is like the first day I felt like the heat of the sun on my skin, and it's so nice. Like this roof and everything is like super warm. It's a really big bird over in our tree. I kind of thought it was a raven, but you won't be able to see on the camera, but I think its beak shape looks a bit more like a rook, but it just seems very, very big. Like, I know rooks are big, but this one seems particularly massive. Okay, so we are going to end this particular attic vlog here. I make no apologies. I am wrecked. This edition of the attic vlog is ending right here because we go to Barcelona in a day or two, so I'm not going to be making any progress for a little while here, and I would rather just get this up for now, plus there's already a lot of footage. But yeah, so this is the end of this one. We got quite a lot done. In the next one, we're going to sort out the other side of the attic. We're going to finish sewing the curtains. We're going to put some more stuff together and just generally make things nicer and then figure out where to go from there. So I'm excited for that. We're close to being like pretty much done, so that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Okay, I will see you next time, lovelies. Have a great evening. I hope you're less dead than I am, and I will see you next time.